So when it's really hot like it is today, do a bit of low impact mental stimulation with your dogs. And these pair, Daisy Beagle and Reggie the Border Terrier, both searching for food. Not too much running around, but gives them great mental stimulation because it gets them using their noses, channeling their natural instincts, and they love it. And it is really quite hot today, so it has been over the bank holiday. So always be mindful of how hot it is. You don't want your dogs running around and getting heat stroke in this weather, or burning their paws. And the pavements are too hot. And doing something like this keeps them active in a more constructive way than chasing around after balls, and they're not going to miss their physical walk so much. In the daytime you can take them out when it's cooler.